Hey, what's going on? My name's Andre and going to 2021, I'm sure there are many teenagers out there that are looking to make some cash on the side. So in this video, I'm going to give you 5 ways that I have personally used to make money as a teenager. These include some online side hustles that you can do from the comfort of your own home on your phone. So I'm going to get started with the easiest one, that are the easiest to execute, and move on to the harder or more difficult to execute, which will require some more research and some more of your time. So if you enjoyed this video and got some value out of it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. So the first way is reselling. What this essentially is finding items that are underpriced and then selling them for a profit. For the recent craze that I might have seen in Pokemon cards, I'm not saying to go spend thousands on Pokemon cards, as it might not be something that you're interested in and know a lot about. So it's important to sell something that you know and are interested in, as you're more likely to know what price the items go for. For me, for example, I'm quite into tech, so I would go on Facebook Marketplace, for example, and let's say I would search for a drone, and I would find a drone that sells for about £150, but I actually know that that drone sells for £250, so I would buy it and then sell it on another marketplace like eBay for £100 profit. If you want a risk-free way of starting this, you can easily just find items in your own house that you just don't use anymore. Or if you're really struggling to find items in your own house, then you can go on Mumtree or whatever the marketplace in your country is, and go and find freebies. So this is items that people are giving away for free, and so you can go and pick these items up and then relist them on other platforms like eBay. Something that I would recommend for all these ideas is to do your research to make sure that you know exactly how much the items go for. You don't want to end up buying an item and then not being able to resell it for a profit or even a loss. So I definitely recommend doing your research beforehand and know exactly what you're buying. With the current illness going around, so many more businesses have been forced to operate online. So with that, more and more businesses need an online presence. And this is where you come in and offer your social media management services. We as teenagers know a lot more about social media than the 30-40-year-olds that are running these businesses. A way to do this would be to ask local businesses that you already know and frequently go to. For me, this was my barber. I saw that I had no online presence whatsoever, but the competitors did. So I simply just showed them that, and they were more than happy for me to run their social media and get paid on a monthly basis for the services that I was giving to them. And it almost immediately saw an increase of customers that are turning up from seeing these posts on social media. Now I've been doing this for almost 4 years. So number 3 is freelancing, and by this I mean just selling your skills that you know and you're good at. There are so many ways that you can sell your skills and make money from it. You just have to find something that you're good at. It's being writing, photography, or even maths. You'd be surprised at the demand that there is for such skills. There's also a second benefit apart from making money from this, that you're actually practicing the skills and are getting better and better at them the more you do them. A way to actually start this would be to find family members and advertise the services that you're good at. There are even websites such as Fiverr and Upwork where you can put a listing up advertising what you're good at, and people can buy your services that way. These are specifically good for people that have digital skills, such as graphic design or video editing. So moving on to number 4 is Instagram theme pages. One of my main sources of income has been Instagram theme pages. If you don't know what theme pages are, they are basically just pages that post specific content on a specific topic. You might have seen pages such as meme pages and puppy pages. Anyway, you can purchase these type of pages and further grow their audience, and then flip it for a profit. So you might find a page, let's say at 1k, and then you decide to grow that page over 2 months or 3 months to 5k. This page would be worth an extra £50 to £100 depending on what the engagement rate is. You can even make your own store and sell products to the audience that you have built. That is a lot harder, so I recommend starting with flipping the pages to start off with. If you'd like to see a video further explaining exactly how to do it step by step, please put a comment down below. Lastly, this might not be for everyone, but if you have these skills, you can make a lot of money from them. And this is photography, videography, and video editing. Due to the current circumstances, there are so many businesses that need online content to post on their social media. So this could be a very high income skill that you might want to learn. As if you were to combine this with the social media management, you'd easily get a couple £100 per month. I'll be sure to make more videos on exactly how I do this, so stay tuned. I hope that you found this video valuable. A like rating would be appreciated, and also subscribe, as I'll be making a lot more videos showing you exactly step by step how I make money, and you can too. Goodbye.